Welcome back to my unboxing video playlist. This month I want to do an unboxing on a product I use on the daily, and I don't think I can manage without. To give you a little backstory about this, when I was in my early 20s, mid 20s, and I started biking, I was biking 7 days a week, averaging between 300 and 400 miles a week, sometimes more. And I began to notice I was getting some pain in my knees. So since I was only in my 20s at the time, I was kind of worried. So I did some research and started looking into getting some joint supplements for my knees. And back then I started taking the version of this product made by Puritan's Pride. But this unique joint supplement formula is a combination of glucosamine and MSM. Now the thing about MSM is it helps repair your joints, but it also has a painkiller or pain-killing aspect to it. So it helps reduces pain. So as soon as I started using this product, my knees stopped hurting. And I use it on the daily because I'm active. It's beneficial for you if you bike. If you walk a lot, it's good for you. If you work out in the gym like I do, it helps reduce inflammation in your joints. So without keeping you, let's see. You see the box. Now I'm just gonna open up here. Keep it simple this month. And this is the brand I use now. I can turn it around. It is MSM glucosamine complex with type 2 collagen, made by Nature's Blend. Now the thing about this version of the product, it has a type 2 collagen, which helps rebuild the cartilage that wears down in our joints and hips. But the interesting thing about type 2 collagen is it works best if you stay hydrated, because water is the primary substance used in fluids in our joints. So again, it goes back to my old saying, stay hydrated and drink water. And if you think you're drinking enough, but yet you're still drinking a lot of sodas or a lot of coffee, that means you need to drink more water, or else you're not getting the full benefit of drinking the water, because caffeine is a diuretic. It causes us to sweat or go to the bathroom more, which dehydrates us. So you need to drink more water, and that will help this work better. The thing I like about this blend is the daily dosage is 3 tablets or 3 capsules. And what I like to do is I like to break up the dosage. I'll take 1 in the morning, 1 with my lunch, and 1 with dinner. That way I'm kind of getting a time released dosage. So I'm not just putting it all in my system in the morning and then drinking water and diluting it. So I'm getting some in the morning, I'm getting some in the middle of the day, and I'm getting some in the evening. Because after I eat, I do stuff at night, especially. Now, up until about 2 years ago, I would jump rope after dinner, after lunch, after breakfast. I was jump roping thousands of times a day. But what happened is I got calcification in my Achilles tendons, which makes my Achilles tendons stiff. So in order to keep the calcification from getting too bad, I had to cut the jump roping out. And the other side affecting me jump roping was I was wearing the cartilage out in my shoulders. So I have not jump rope now probably in about almost 3 years. December will be 3 years. So now I walk more. And this right here, this MSM glucosamine complex with type 2 collagen is a game changer. It helps my joints. It keeps my knees from getting all achy and crampy when I do my bike rides, especially when I do my 40-mile bike ride. And if you know anything about me and the type of biking I do, I'm more of a grinder, so I'm putting a lot of torque on the pedals with my legs. This helps reduce the wear and tear in my knees and my ankles. I'll try and put a link to the, Amazon page where I buy it. That's where I buy it now. I used to get this version through Puritan's Pride, but something happened just before the pandemic where their shipments became really unreliable. So with this, I can get it on Amazon once a month. This right here is a 1 month supply, and it runs roughly about $16 a month, which, if you're active like I am, that is a great bargain on keeping your joints healthy. So again, it is Nature's Blends glucosamine complex with type 2 collagen. I'll put the Amazon link to it in the description of this video. I hope you liked the video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you found something that you can use. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and let me know what you think about maintaining your joints. Have a great weekend and get outside. Fall's not quite here yet, so I'm soaking up these last few weeks of long days, even though they're shorter now than they were a few months ago. So have a great weekend, y'all, and get outside.
Thanks for watching, and keep your bodies moving this weekend, everyone. Bye-bye.